I have been turning long, boring videos into viral clips way faster and cheaper than any human editor ever could. Top creators like Iman Gadzi and Jenny Hoyos are spending thousands every single month on editing teams just to keep up with the algorithm. If you are not sitting on a massive production budget, it often feels like the game is completely rigged against you. The reality is that if you can't consistently pump out short, punchy clips for TikTok and Instagram, your reach will just tank. Big channels test dozens of different cuts, overlays, and thumbnails until something finally pops, which used to be an unfair advantage. That advantage disappeared the moment artificial intelligence started handling the heavy lifting. Let me be completely blunt. Modern content gets judged by the audience in a matter of seconds. When you upload a video, the platform shows it to a tiny sample first, and if they don't engage immediately, the algorithm quietly kills your reach. It does not matter if your long-form video is a masterpiece if your short clips are not driving traffic. That is exactly why top creators obsess over repurposing, because a single weak hook can bury your entire upload. So, how do we compete as smaller creators without hiring an army of editors? The answer is simple. Stop trying to replicate the expensive old process and start stealing the successful tactics. Usually, people try to teach themselves complex editing software, or they burn cash hiring expensive freelancers. The third option, and the only one that scales, is leaning on AI to do the tedious work for you. I'm not saying AI is magic dust that replaces your creativity, but tools that auto-identify viral moments are a total game changer. The tool I want to talk about today is Vizard. And this is not an ad, it is just what actually works. Vizard helps creators get the same testing and velocity as huge channels without the massive overhead costs. Let us be real, human editors are expensive, slow, and often deliver only one clip a day if you are lucky. Free apps like Canva are fine for static designs, but they do absolutely nothing for extracting hype moments from long interviews. Many other AI apps promise auto-editing, but miss the important emotional beats or force you to do tons of manual tuning. Vizard sits in the perfect sweet spot by finding high engagement moments automatically. It allows small edits and handles the scheduling so you can actually test your content at scale. So, how does it actually work in real terms? First, you simply upload your long-form video into the platform. The AI then analyzes the video, finding viral moments based on audio peaks, laughter, and pacing. It then proposes a whole batch of short clips that are ready to post immediately. Think of it like a highlight reel machine that actually understands how to hook an audience. The real magic happens in the iterations, where you can preview dozens of candidate clips in minutes. You pick the ones you like, tweak the start and end points, and add auto-generated captions. Better yet, you can let Vizard auto-schedule them to post across all your platforms. No more waking up at 2 a.m. to manually hit publish. The scheduling alone is worth it because testing different posting times is how channels grow. People often ask me if this feels like cheating, but it definitely is not. Big creators are already doing this. They iterate fast and kill whatever does not work. Vizard just automates the iteration part, giving you the advantage of pure speed. Instead of paying hundreds for one single short, you can produce dozens to test the market. I took a 45-minute interview, uploaded it, and in 20 minutes, I had 30 candidate clips. I picked 5 to publish, and within days, one started getting serious traction. That single clip drove viewers back to the full interview, and the algorithm rewarded the entire channel. Compare that to paying an editor to manually find those clips, which would have taken days and cost a fortune. Let us be fair and point out where other tools often fail. Some platforms require a ton of manual tagging or templates that look generic and tired. Others work only for specific formats and totally fail when you try to use them for energetic tutorials. Some will create captions, but they get the transcript wrong half the time. Vizard is not completely flawless, but it does a far better job balancing automation with manual control. The scheduling and content calendar being built in is a massive, underrated feature. Another thing creators underestimate is the power of testing. Most of us publish one clip and hope for the best, but big channels try dozens of variants. Vizard makes creating A/B tests cheap and easy for you. If one version flops, you have the next variant ready to go. That pace of experimentation is exactly why bigger channels scale faster. There are, however, some limitations to keep in mind. AI will not replace your creative decisions, and sometimes you still want manual trimming. Also, it is not magic. If your source audio is bad, the clips are not going to sound professional. Still, it saves hours of grunt work and gives you dozens of solid starting points. One cool use case is repurposing workshops into educational micro-lessons. You can maintain a consistent content cadence across platforms without needing a huge staff. Let us talk about the return on investment for a second. Editors charge for every revision, but with Vizard, the marginal cost of variance is just time. Faster tests mean faster learning, which leads to more growth. If you're serious about growing but lack a production team, this is where you should invest. Sign up, throw a video into Vizard, and treat it like a lab for your content. Tech alone won't make you viral, but your ability to iterate will. Big creators keep spending on teams for personal touches, but this levels the playing field. Start treating content creation like a testing engine rather than a craft project. This is the new normal for creators who want to win. Either you use tools to scale, or you stay stuck doing the old one-at-a-time workflow. Repurpose one video, schedule a week of clips, and see what happens. You might be surprised how fast a single weekend of work turns into steady traffic. Go grab a video, let the AI find the hooks, and start your testing today. Your future feed will thank you for making the switch.